Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be kind of short, not super long, super detailed, but I wanted to run through some optimal settings for your OBS or your Streamlabs so that you can have a high quality stream with optimal settings for your system. And this is going to be specifically for those who have RTX cards, so either a 20 series RTX or a 30 series RTX NVIDIA GPU, because we're going to be encoding with Nvenc new. And I've ran through all of these settings multiple times, and this is the best that I have found for me personally, and it may work for you too. I guarantee you it will work for you. However, we're going to run through the bit rate, and that's a little bit different on your end. That depends on your ISP, but let's get into it and see what's up. So once you get your OBS up and opened, or your Streamlabs OBS, go ahead and go to settings, and this is going to work for either OBS or Streamlabs OBS. Go into general and then go over to stream. Whatever platform you plan on streaming on, go to here and click on Twitch or YouTube or Facebook. Server, I recommend you leave it on auto. That way it chooses the closest one. I leave these off. I ignore the streaming service recommendations because that's going to depend on your upload speed for your bit rate. I guess it can do it automatically, but I set mine to 6,000. That gives the best stream upload for your stream, so that you don't have any kind of blocking on your video during a live stream. So let's go over to output. You're going to want to go to streaming and then here and go to advanced, set advanced. Remember, this is for RTX cards, so you'll only have this option, Nvenc new, if you have an RTX card, 20 series or 30 series. Set it to CBR. So for me, it's 6,000. Bit rate is what my upload speed is. I have it set to, that's the highest Twitch allows you. But however, that's going to depend on your IPS. So you may have to set it a little less, or you can set it to 6,000. So go either to Google and do a speed test, or go to speedtest.net to see your upload speed. And if you have over 6,000, if you have over, like, if you have 10,000, or even if you have like 14,000, I believe, you can just cut it in half, and that'll be, you have enough headroom to run 6,000. Remember, that's going to give you the best video for any kind of blocking that will happen during your live stream and during like heavy movement on games that you're playing. Go ahead and set the keyframe interval recommended by Twitch and Nvidia to 2. You can leave these as is. That's his automatic quality and high on profile. I leave cycle visual tuning ahead. It helps to keep no blocking as well, because it does it beforehand. It uses a little bit more GPU power, but it's not significant. Leave GPU at 0 and max B frames at 2. So these are the settings that have worked perfectly for me, and they should work for you if you have a 30 series card, because this uses a separate encoding chip that's on your RTX card. I will leave a link in the description on what Nvidia recommends, and it's actually this right here, but there's also some other settings you can play around with it if this doesn't work for you, but it should. I can almost guarantee it. Let's go over to video, a couple more things. So whenever you go on your OBS, automatically it sets the canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080. Leave that. The output scaled resolution, you're going to want to set to 1536 by 864. This will give your stream the best video possible. Don't leave it on 1920 because it's unnecessary. This is perfect. Set it to 36 samples, and you can have this at 60, or even if you want 59.64, I think it is, but 60 is fine for this type of resolution on your output. And I also set process priority above normal, and that's pretty much it. There's some other things with the networking that depends on your internet, but you can probably just leave these unchecked. And if you are having like some lag issues or whatever, you can try to enable network optimizations and then enable TCP pacing, which will help have a more smooth stream if you're having an upload speed issue. But other than that, that's pretty much it. follow these steps and let me know in the comments, please, how your stream comes out. And man, I'm happy to share this with you. If you want, I can do another video on encoding by CPU. I think it's X264, and how to optimize that for 720, even 1080p if you want. But thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you. Y'all have a good day. Please like and subscribe and follow. Thanks.